Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2012 Lincoln MKX with 3.7 Ford motor. Doing some spark plugs, cleaning the throttle body as well, but it's not really part of this, but it'll get done. So, take the intake manifold off, get those back three plugs, front three piece of pie. Intake manifold has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 millimeter bolts. This vacuum hose will come off. I did take the throttle body off because it sits right here in order to push in this little connector piece right here and get a screwdriver in there. But I was taking the throttle body off anyways to clean it, so it wasn't that big of an issue. Got a PCV hose back here, hose clamp, take that off. Brake booster hose, same thing, sits up here. Hose clamp, take that off. Connector for your throttle body, connector for your map sensor, and it comes off. It is a pretty plain Jane simple issue. There's also a bolt back here for the bracket, but that'll come off as well. Other than that, it's pretty easy. Motorcraft spark plugs going back in. There's your part number, and they are a 5/8 socket. Cool little trick. If you don't have a magnet, and I lost mine, so this works perfectly. After the spark plug is taken out and such like that, it's still down in there, you can take the coil, stick it sound inside, and just pull the spark plug out with the coil. After you've always unscrewed it, of course, but little pro tip right there. Oh, 2 PCM connectors here come out so the intake can swing out of the way. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Also, replace your intake manifold gasket because it is a source of a air leak, so you do not want to have an air leak on something that you just replaced. But other than that, pretty plain Jane simple repair. Clear any codes that you have after you're done and reset the computer. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.